The 2026 BMW 2 Series blends athletic design with cutting-edge performance, perfect for those who crave excitement. Experience electric folding door mirrors for added convenience in tight spots, plus M Sport brakes with blue calipers for responsive stopping power, ensuring every drive is as thrilling as it is safe. Step inside to experience the Harman Kardon surround sound audio for immersive clarity and the live cockpit professional with intuitive controls for seamless driving. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge BMW today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 BMW 2 Series. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tyre and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.